Now let's shift to our second technique, product or technical demonstrations. A product or technical demonstration is a variant of an oral presentation, but instead of simply words or explanations on a whiteboard, the offer will actually show us something, and maybe we'll even get to touch and feel the product.
The same fears that are associated with oral presentations are also in play here, but similarly, they are greatly exaggerated. The benefits of a product or technical demonstration can far outweigh any small risks.
In our all-day boot camp, we give real examples of teams that use these techniques. A team at Customs and Border Protection bought density meters using a product demonstration. A density meter works like a stud finder and can detect anomalies in mass and can find contraband in hidden spaces and so forth. Think drugs in a car tire. Rather than a paper technical proposal, the solicitation invited offerers to bring in their products, show us how to use them, do some tests while the offer was still in there, and leave them in our possession for a couple of days for more detailed government-only testing.
The government used broad evaluation factors such as feasibility of use, support of the mission, and so forth.
And those broad evaluation factors in a product demonstration setting allowed the team to learn far more than it could have with a paper technical proposal. For example, the team learned that some products were a little on the large side and might not be able to be used by the entire workforce with one hand. Some products work well with right-handed use, but not so well with left-handed use. The team brought in Border Patrol agents to participate in the testing, and they provided insights that the suits in DC could not have imagined.
When we're buying existing products, product demonstrations almost always make sense, but they can make sense for other acquisitions as well. For example, if the contract will require the new design and fielding of a complete system, maybe we can ask for a demonstration of the first increment of the system or some other functionality or interface.
Just as for oral presentations, you have to make a product or tech demo fit your acquisition. Again, make sure the product or tech demo doesn't duplicate what you get in a written submission, but rather replaces those written submissions. Your procurement team, contracting officer, program manager, and procurement attorney need to talk about it and make it fit. The reduction in paper really does make the evaluation and review processes much faster, and the interactive dialogue, along with the opportunity to touch and see, gives us much greater confidence that we are selecting the best contractor for the work.